Hello everyone, welcome to the NN Classroom. Today, I'd like to share with you a past paper question from 2017, Time Zone 2, question number 32, stuff related to topic 10, organic chemistry, in terms of a really fundamental concept, the understanding of several functional groups. Let's see. So which functional group is present in the paracetamol, a really famous Panadol active ingredient molecule called the paracetamol? If students doing option D, they should be learning this with more details, how they evolved from, and what's the precursor drug molecule that we commonly use before, that so on and so forth. But let's see. For this case, students should simply point out that here we basically fundamentally see three functional groups. The first one is what we call a hydroxyl group, or simply related to the homologous series called alcohol. So in this case, hydroxyl group, the first one. The next one, which is what we call a phenyl ring, PHENYL. Phenyl ring, which is based on a benzene ring, but with some of the hydrogen that is dismissed, but linked to other chains of hydrocarbon. So we call it a phenyl group. The first one, again, just point it out again, which is the hydroxyl group. And the next one, which I'm going to point out, is this area, which is going to be the CON area, this area particularly. Circle it, right? Yeah. Whenever a C double bond O directly linked to the N, this is what we call carboxyamide. Yeah. Don't just write it as amide, because officially we should add the prefix carboxy to illustrate this is particularly bond to the CO double bond O and then link to N, right? A nitrogen. No need to be really bonds to hydrogen, but just the CON area that is mostly important. So a carboxyamide area, but not amino. Amino is just simply means one of the nitrogen that link to something else, so that is an amino group without the linking of CO double bond. If a CO double bond adjacent with an N, that we must be considered together. So don't split them apart and say, oh, is it going to be a ketone? No, if it's linked to N. And the N, is it going to be just an amine? No, because it's linked to the CO double bond O. So this is a collection. We call it carboxyamide. So if you understand that, then you should first point out the answer is D. But what I want to demonstrate is, then what are the remaindings? A carboxyl group, it just simply means the CO double bond O need to link with an oxygen directly. So there must be two oxygen that links to the carbon, right? But not just one. So that's why we don't see carboxyl group here. Amino, as just mentioned, just a simple N linked to adjacently carbons without linking of the oxygen double bond O. So that's why not amino group. And nitrile simply means a C triple bond N, so these terminal. If you see this terminal, that is going to be a nitrile. So again, we cannot see this group here, so that's why answer is going to be D, simple.